SovPlym welcomes you from Snezhinsk, a city in Chelyabinsk region. We are on the premises of a ceramic granite production plant, ZKS, part of the Ural Granite group. The plant has been operating since 2005, manufacturing several product brands supplied across Russia and internationally. As you can imagine, ceramic granite production is a quite dusty process. To ensure the high safety standards, aspirating systems are integrated into various stages of the production technology. Recently, the plant introduced equipment from SovPlym. We toured the plant, observed how our filters operate, and had a chance to speak with ZKS chief engineer Anton Malutin and SovPlym's product manager Dmitry Ivanov. Let's get started. ZKS is a ceramic granite manufacturing enterprise. Our products come in various formats and are widely used for flooring and building facades. 2 years ago, we decided to implement a minor modernization project. Previously, tile trimming was done with wet machines that used water to cool the cutting blades. Now, with advancements in technology, we've transitioned to dry machines for cleaner and more efficient processing. However, dry processing generates dust during tile trimming. To address this, we've turned to a domestic manufacturer of aspiration systems. The filters were installed about a year ago, and we've been satisfied with the results since. ZKS is a modern, automated facility employing advanced technologies. Here, everything and everyone is in motion. You can trace the entire production chain from raw materials to the shipment of packaged goods to customers. By the way, even though it's freezing outside, it's quite warm in this workshop. I'm comfortable in just a shot. That's thanks to the kilns, which are essential for processing tiles, hardening them and giving them the final look we are all familiar with. The kiln temperature exceeds 1000 degrees Celsius. What's most relevant to us is the tile trimming area, where tiles are given their nearly finished form. This is where significant dust is generated and where SovPlym's filters come into play. We initially considered aspiration systems from Italy, China and a German brand manufactured in Poland. In fact, we used one of these options before in collaboration with domestic manufacturer. But we faced supply chain challenges with importing spare parts and equipment into Russia. So we turned to a local supplier. We visited the factory in St. Petersburg, saw the equipment being manufactured and received detailed consultations on its production and operation. We were thoroughly impressed. We signed the contract and the equipment was delivered on schedule. It was installed and our staff was trained. The system is straightforward, no special skills or advanced knowledge are required for its operation and maintenance. It performs its functions 100%. This equipment is built to last, and we plan to include SovPlym filters in future projects as we expand. Dust from filters is collected in large bags called BigBags. We even took some local dust as a keepsake. SovPlym offers a great service. You can send a sample of your dust to our facility in St. Petersburg. We'll test it on our equipment to find the perfect solution for your needs. A few words about the order from SovPlym's point of view. The case approached us to address air purification from the ceramic granite dust generated during tile trimming. It so happens that in December 2022 we held a technical seminar in Chelyabinsk where we invited the case representatives. After the seminar we discussed their requirements in detail. We agreed that our technical specialists would visit their site in early 2023 to analyze the process, examine the workspace and determine whether filters would be installed. Following this visit, we decided to supply SFN size filters with smooth pocket design, our most popular model. Ultimately, we delivered SFN 108/3 filters, each with a nominal capacity of up to 30,000 cubic meters per hour and dust collection into BigBags. Notably, before finalizing the contract, we tested the dust at our St. Petersburg facility to demonstrate how the filters would perform. You can personally verify how well our filters handle your dust by visiting our facility. Make your decision with confidence, armed with all necessary data. Since 2020, we've operated several test stands in St. Petersburg showcasing our pocket, bag and cartridge filters. Our first stand featured the SFN filter with smooth pocket and a capacity of 12,000 cubic meters per hour. We've tested various materials on the stand, including cement, sand, and a ceramic granite dust from ZKS. After testing, we demonstrated the results to ZKS, which led to the contract for 3 filters with a capacity of up to 30,000 cubic meters per hour each. Workplace safety, energy efficiency and environmental responsibility are SovPlym's top priorities in every project. We delight that DKS is satisfied with our work. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to SovPlym. Check out our other videos about technical solutions for various industries. We hope to feature your production facility in a future video. Reach out to us. Our contact information is in the description. SovPlym, meaningful ventilation.